Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Mbna credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to activate your credit card for Mbna, then here's how to do it. Open up a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.mbna.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official website, mouse over to the credit cards tab at the top. Now, from the expanded menu, select Help and Support and you'll be able to see an option that says Activate your card. Give it a click in order to activate your credit card for Mbna. Click on Activate your credit card button appearing on the next page, and this will take you to this page where you can fill in the form for your new credit card activation. Right where it says credit card number, you'll need to type in your credit card number that is available on your credit card and then type in your date of birth by selecting from the drop down beneath. After you are done, head over to the next field where it says expiry date and select your expiry date for your credit card. And finally click on Activate in order to activate your credit card online. Once you do that and your credentials are correct, you'll be able to activate your new credit card for Mbna. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.